Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Natural Language Processing. NLP. Beyond LLMs. Have you ever wondered how your phone knows to correct your spelling? Or how a chatbot seems to understand your questions? That's natural language processing. NLP. In action. Simply put, NLP is the magic that teaches computers to read, understand, and even generate human language. Think of it like giving your computer a superpower to communicate with us. Not just through code, but through everyday English, Spanish, or any other language. And here's the kicker. It's not just about advanced AI like ChatGPT. NLP is the foundational technology powering countless features you use every day. As a developer, you build software that users interact with. Imagine if your app could understand user feedback directly, summarize long documents, or respond intelligently to customer service queries. NLP empowers you to add a human touch to your applications. It's the bridge that lets your code speak and understand human language, opening up a world of possibilities for creating smarter, more intuitive software. From building a smarter search engine to creating a virtual assistant for your app, NLP skills make your project stand out. Computers are great with numbers, but not so much with words. So, the first step in NLP is to turn our messy, beautiful human language into something a computer can process. Imagine words as Lego bricks. Before you can build something, you need to sort and categorize your bricks. In NLP, this means converting words into numerical representations, a process called vectorization or embeddings. This isn't magic. It's clever math that assigns a unique address or profile to each word, allowing computers to compare, group, and understand them based on their meaning and context, not just their spelling. Before a computer can truly understand a sentence, it breaks it down into smaller, manageable pieces. Much like we learn grammar in school. Tokenization. Asterisk splitting sentences into individual words or meaningful units. Like separating hello world into hello and world. Stemming lemmatization. Asterisk reducing words to their root form. E.g., running, ran, runs all become run. This helps the computer recognize that these are all related concepts. Part of speech tagging. Pause tagging. Asterisk identifying if a word is a noun, verb, adjective, etc. Just like in a grammar lesson. This helps understand the structure of a sentence. Named entity recognition, NER. Asterisk spotting and classifying important bits of information like names of people, organizations, locations, or dates. This is super useful for extracting key facts from text. Once computers can break down and categorize language, they can start to understand its deeper meaning. Two powerful examples are sentiment analysis. This is like teaching a computer to feel the emotional tone of text. Is a customer review positive, negative, or neutral? This helps businesses quickly gauge public opinion without reading every single comment. Spam detection. This is one of the earliest and most widespread NLP applications. By analyzing the patterns, words, and structure of emails, NLP models can identify and filter out unwanted junk mail, saving you from a cluttered inbox. It's a classic example of NLP protecting you daily. You've probably heard a lot about large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT. It's crucial to understand that while LLMs are incredible, they are asterisk part of the larger field of NLP, not a replacement for it. NLP is the broad discipline of enabling computers to understand human language. LLMs are a very advanced type of NLP model. particularly skilled at generating coherent and contextually relevant text. But many powerful NLP tasks, like simple spell checking, basic search functionality, or identifying keywords, don't require an LLM. Think of NLP as the entire language processing toolkit, and LLMs as the highly specialized, super powerful wrench within that kit for complex generative tasks. As a developer, getting started with NLP often means using existing libraries and tools. You don't need to build the complex math from scratch. Imagine you have a paragraph of text with just a few lines of Python code using a library like NLTK or Spacy. You could 1. Feed your text into a function, e.g., !NLP underscore library, tokenize your underscore text, 2. Get back a list of individual words, tokens. 3. Feed those tokens into another function to identify their part of speech. 4. Or even run a sentiment analysis function to get an emotion score. It's about learning to use these powerful black boxes effectively to integrate language understanding directly into your applications. Excited to dive deeper? Here's how a beginner developer can start their NLP journey. 1. Learn Python. It's the go-to language for AI and NLP, thanks to its rich ecosystem of libraries. 2. Explore libraries. Get familiar with popular NLP libraries like NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, or Spacy. They provide pre-built tools for many of the tasks we discussed. 3. Start small. Try simple projects like building a basic spam detector, a tool to count word frequencies, or a simple sentiment analyzer for movie reviews. Focus on one task at a time. NLP is an accessible field with endless possibilities for enhancing your software. You don't need to be an AI expert to start making your applications understand. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.